Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making a recipe for Haluski soup. Haluski is a recipe for cabbage and noodles that goes back over 100 years. It was a popular meal during the Great Depression because it was very economical and easy to make. I have a recipe for that on this channel, and I will post a link to that video in the description and in the comments below. Today I am making the soup version of Haluski. We call this Haluski soup. It is very similar but helps to stretch this economical meal even further. The ingredients are 1 onion chopped, 1 carrot chopped, 1 stalk of celery chopped, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 head of cabbage chopped, 12 ounces of egg noodles, and if you like to make your own egg noodles, you can make it also, 2 tablespoons butter. The first thing I'm going to put is my heat on to medium on the stove. And I have my soup pot here, and I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of butter and let that melt a little before I add the next ingredients. The butter is melting, so now I'm going to be adding the onion, the celery, and the carrots. And now I'm gonna mix this up, and I'm gonna cook this until the onions and carrots are soft. And you give it a stir every once in a while. I've had everything sauteing for 5 minutes, so now I'm going to add my garlic. Now I'm only going to cook the garlic for a minute because you don't want to burn the garlic. It's been a minute. Now I'm going to add the cabbage. I'm going to add my chopped cabbage. And now I'm going to stir the cabbage. Now I have everything combined. I'm going to cover it with a lid and cook it for another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, and now you could see the cabbage is softened and it also is wilted. Now the next thing I have to do is I have to add 8 cups of water. So this is 4 cups here and another 4 cups. And now I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to bring this to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer it for 30 minutes. The soup is starting to boil. I have to turn the temperature down to a simmer and let it simmer for 30 minutes. My soup has another 9 minutes to go, so while that's simmering, I'm cooking my egg noodles, which will take 8 minutes. After 30 minutes, the soup is done. Now I'm adding my egg noodles. And give it a good stir now. And now the soup is ready for Grandpa to enjoy. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very good, Ma. Delicious. You could taste the garlic in it, the cabbage, the noodles. You did a good job, Ma. Good winter soup. You know I like any soup with noodles in it.